A plane travels 500 miles every 2 hours. How long will it take the plane to fly 2,000 miles? So ito ay simpleng ratio and proportion, direct variation dahil 500 miles every 2 hours, how long will it take the plane to fly to 2,000 miles? So syempre habang pag dumami yung miles, ibig sabihin dadami din yung oras. Okay? So i-set up lang natin, lagyan lang natin ng M for miles and then H for hours. So we have 500 miles is to 2 hours. How long will it take the plane to fly 2,000 miles? So lagyan natin ito ng variable M. So dito pa lang sa table, madali nang ma-solve dahil yung 500 naging 2,000, ibig sabihin lang yan times 4. So yung 2, para maging n siya, times 4 lang din natin. So 2 times 4, the value of n is 8. So therefore, letter C. Or another solution, i-set up lang natin ang equation natin. So 500 is to 2. So we have 500 is to 2 equals 2,000 is to n. So multiply natin yung extremes. So that is 500n equals sa product nitong means natin. So we have 2 times 2,000. And then divide both sides by 500 para ma-isolate natin itong n. So cancel this. So 2,000 divided by 500, that is equal to 4. Tsaka natin i-multiply 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So same answer. Follow for more.